for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and welcome to another video. So today I thought I would do a little rearranging of my coffee bar on this side of the kitchen. You guys know that I have 2 coffee bars, and I did a recent kitchen clean and decorate with me where I showed you how I cleaned and decorated my kitchen for summer, and this was the styling that I came up for that video, but it looks a little plain to me because there's pops of color everywhere else in my kitchen, as you can see here, except for this little space. So I thought I would go ahead and add a little bit of color over here to this corner to match everything else in the kitchen. And today's video is actually part of a collaboration that is hosted seasonally by Kimberly Davis from A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and that is the Coffee Beverage Bar collaboration. So I will leave a link for Kimberly's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants where you are sure to get tons of coffee bar decorating inspiration. So let's go ahead and change up the look. So what I thought I would do to spruce up the space a little bit is to bring in some of white florals, and I'm just gonna add it to the greenery. This is a bouquet of flowers that I've had forever that I haven't used in a while, and we're just going to take some of these and arrange them here in this vase. You guys know I love to decorate in black and white, and green is my accent color. I tell you that all the time. But for summer, I thought it would be fun to play around with a little color. So I did an urban jungle theme in my lounge. It is all black and white. And then I added some color in my urban jungle theme in my, let's see if I can push it down here. I did some color in my urban jungle theme in my living room. So I thought, there we go. So I thought it would be fun to add a little color in the kitchen. It is summer after all, and you can't go wrong with a good floral. So you guys know I don't typically break my stems, but in this case we will make an exception and maybe add this one back in to give this area more pops of color, and to make it even more tropical to go along with my urban jungle theme. We're gonna add one of these monstera leaves. Now I had ordered these monstera leaves from Z Gallery, oh my gosh, ages and ages ago, and they just now arrived. So these I don't want to cut, so I'm just gonna try to bend it as much as possible to get it down in here. Here we go. And then I'll just bend the leaves a little. And this will give us a nice full tropical look for the coffee bar. on this side. So I think it looks a whole lot better than the first one that we had. So let's take a closer look. All right, so that's really cute. And then I have these, I don't know, the little coffee bar signs that came from Target earlier in the year. So I think it will be cute to add maybe this black and white one here, or possibly this one that says "Life Happens, Coffee Helps." It's a little farmhouse. Might be a little bit too kitschy for me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Is that too farmhouse? I think it is. Then also I have this sign that says #1 cup. I don't think I like these at all, so I'm gonna take these away. Oops. Take those away and just leave the little sign that says Mug Life. And I have this mug that I usually keep here. You can see that. And that came from the Dollar Tree. So there we go, a spruced up coffee station.
If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you to a place.
All right, guys, so here is the final look, and I love how it has turned out. I think the florals gave it the extra pop of color that it needed over here in this space, and I absolutely love it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about our spruced up coffee bar for summer in our urban jungle tropical theme. I absolutely love it, and now I think it matches the rest of my home. So if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you in your summer decorating, maybe you were thinking about doing something coastal or something with lemons, now think about doing something possibly tropical. I didn't think I would do anything tropical for summer because, as I said, I typically decorate only in black and white. Sometimes I throw in a little pop of color, but it's usually green as my accent color. But this year I am branching outside the box, and I think this looks absolutely perfect, and I hope you do as well. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget decorating. I have a whole series, Bougie on a Budget, that I just started. If you missed those videos, I will leave those linked in the description box down below. Make sure you go check them out. If you want to save money but make your home look like you still spent a lot of money on it when you really didn't, then this is the channel for you. So again, I would like to thank Kimberly for hosting this open collaboration. I will leave a link for her channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist. Make sure you go check out everyone's videos, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something